Hey guys, Christy here at Surely Sunless. Today I'm going to share with you how to build your own DIY extraction system. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is gather up your supplies. You'll need a 20 by 20 by 1 fan filter. You'll need your double stick mounting squares and your box fan. The first thing you'll want to do is just line up the filter where you're going to have it placed on the fan, and we're going to make 4 marks with a Sharpie or a pen where we're going to mount the squares, like so. There you go. And then take your double stick mounting squares. Again, you get a package of 20 of these so you can use them time and time again. And we're just going to put them on our Sharpie mark. And then we're going to peel the sticker part off so it sticks to the fan. There we go. And this is the most important part, you guys. A fan naturally blows out the front. We want to do opposite. We're gonna flip this fan around and let that fresh air blow out the back of the tent. So we're gonna mount the filter on the back, essentially, of the fan, okay? So then we just line it up and press a little bit firmly where those mounts are. Like so. And there we've constructed a DIY extraction fan. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.